Vanakkam, Vandanam, Namaskaram. You are watching Aha Namma channel.
Hi, good morning students. So before I starting the class, I just ask one fun questions to you. A farmer have 5 rooster. So one of the day, each rooster laying 2 eggs. But that farmer saying the total number of egg is 0. How it is possible? Just you have to think and say the answer in interactive session. Now you watch the video carefully and finish the worksheet on the day itself. Okay, now you continue and see the video. Hi students, today we have to see the chapter 1, playing with numbers. The first exercise 1.1. In the previous class we discussed about the divisibility rule 2, 3, 5, 9, and we have to check how we have to find out the letters by the using of divisibility 9 and divisibility 3. The same way we have to go with the first question. If 2100 and y5 is multiple of 9 where y is a digit, what is the value of y? So here the 4-digit number is there. So instead of in this 4-digit number, the tens place is missing. It is giving alpha numeral y. By using divisibility rule 9, we have to find out the value of the letter y. So now we move on to the solution. This solution, you know that the divisibility rule. So here we using divisibility rule 9. So what is the divisibility rule? Sum of the digit is divisible by 9. The whole number is divisible by 9. So we have to take the sum of the digits. So sum of 2, 1, y, 5 is, which implies 2 plus 1 plus y plus 5, which is equal to 2 plus 1, 3 plus 1, 5. So 5 plus 3, which is equal to 8. So 8 plus y. So here 8 plus y is there. So what is the possibilities? It may be 8 plus y, which is equal to 9, because the ninth table is 1 9s are 9, 2 9s are 18, etc. So 8 plus y, which is equal to 9. The possible value of y, which is equal to 9 minus 8 equal to 1. So y equal to 1 is one of the possibilities. And another thing I check that 8 plus y, which is equal to 18. Here you check y equal to 18 minus 8, which is equal to 10. So this is 2-digit number. So it is impossible. So it is impossible. So here we have to replace the value instead of y, which is equal to 1. So therefore the value is, therefore y equal to 1 is the possible value. So the 4-digit number is 2115. 2115. You have to add this digit, 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 5, which is equal to, what is that? 2 plus 3 plus 1 4 plus 1 9. So we get 9. So 9 is divisible by 9. So the value 2115 is divisible by 9. So because of this, the value of y, which is equal to 1. Yes. Are you understand the first question? I know you are a very talented students. By the same smartness, you have to see the remaining 3 sums. Second question, third question, fourth question. Now we continue question number 2. If 3100 and z5 is a multiple of 9 where z is a digit, what is the value of z? So here 4-digit number is there, and this 4-digit number we have to find out the value of z. Is it in tens place by using multiple of 9. Multiple of 9 means by using divisibility rule 9. So already you know that what is divisibility rule. Again I recall, sum of the digit is divisible by 9. That whole number is divisible by 9. By using that rule, we have to find out the value of z. So first I have to take divisibility rule. So here I have to use divisibility rule 9. So divisibility rule is the sum of the digit of 31 is at 5, that is 3100 and is at 5. So here I have to write 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5. So 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 5 9. So this one is 9 plus z. Here you have to see 9 plus z. In this 9 plus z, I have to written 9 plus z, which is equal to, it may be in the 9th table. So 9, 18, 27 is going on. So 1 9 is 9, 2 9s are 18, 3 9s are 27, and it's going on. So because of that, the first value is 9. So 9 can be added with any value. You get some of the value. It may be 18 or 27 or 9 and whatever it is. So I take 9 plus z, it may be 9. So what is the value of z? Z equal to 9 minus 9, which is equal to 0. So z equal to 0. So z equal to 0, we get 9 plus 0, which is equal to 9. 9 plus 0 equal to 9. So 0 is one possible value. This one is possible. And next one is 18. So 9 plus z, which is equal to, we get 18. What is the value of z? It should be 18 minus 9. Is it equal to 9? So 9 plus 9, which is equal to 18. So here the value of z, which is equal to 9. This one is also possible. So here 0 is one of the possible value and 9 is another possible value, and I move on to I take 27. Here 9 plus z, which is equal to 27. So z, which is equal to 27 minus 9. So here how it is possible? Z, which is equal to 18. So this one is 2-digit number. So here we need to fill only single digit number, because this 18 is impossible. So this one is impossible value. So this one is impossible. So now how many values are possible? Whether the z value is 0 or z value is 9. So how many values we have? 2 values. It may be 3105, otherwise 3195. Therefore 0, 9 are the possible values of z. 0, 9 are the possible values of z. So because of that, I verified in this rough work column 3 plus 1 plus 0 plus 5, which is equal to 3 plus 1 4 plus 0 is 4 plus 5, which is equal to 9. So divisible by 9. And then 3 plus 1 plus 9 plus 5, 3 plus 1 4 plus 9 13, which is plus 5 equal to 18. So 18 is also divisible by 9. So here two values 0 and 9 are the possible value for z, which implies the 4-digit number is 3105 or 3195. So here in place of z, I will substitute 0 and 9. It may be 3105 or 3195. Next we move on to third question. So now third question, if 2, 4, x is a multiple of 3, where x is a digit, what is the value of x? Here 3-digit number is 256. 240x. So it's in a unit digit x. We have to replace, instead of x, we have to find out the value by using divisibility rule 3a. So in the before questions, we have to using divisibility rule 9. Here we have to find out this is a multiple of 3. That is given. This 3-digit number is multiple of 3. Because of that, we have to use divisibility rule 3. So divisibility rule 3 and 9 are not different. It's the same. Because 9, what we have to do, sum of the digit is divisible by 9. That whole number is divisible by 9. The same condition for divisibility rule 3 also. The sum of the digit is divisible by 3. That whole value is divisible by 3. In the solution, I take the divisibility rule 3. So here I have to use divisibility rule 3. So I need to sum of the digits of 204x. It means 2 plus 4 plus x, which is equal to 6 plus x. So 2 plus 4 plus x, which is equal to 6 plus x. So here you write the 3 table. 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12, and etc. So these are the 3 table. It may be the value. Here 6 plus, in the sense it always greater than 3. So 3 is less than the value. So 6 plus 6 is always greater than 3. Because of that, I will take 6. So here 6 plus x, it may be 6. What is the value of x? 6 minus 6 equal to 0. So 6 plus 0, which is equal to 6. The first possible value of x, which is equal to 0. This one is possible. And next we move on to 9. So 6 plus x, which is equal to 9. X equal to 9 minus 6, x equal to 3. So 6 plus 3, which is equal to 9. So 3 is also single digit number. So this one is also possible value. And next I take another one. It may be 12. So 6 plus x, which is equal to 12. Then x equal to 12 minus 6, x equal to 6. So 6 plus 6, which is equal to 12. So x equal to 6 also possible. Why I have to mention this possible? Here the single digit is there. It's possible for x. Because of that I mentioned this one. 0 is also the possible value. 3 also possible value. 6 also possible value. And next I move on to, it may be 15. 6 plus x equal to 15. So x, which is equal to 15 minus 6. The value of x, which is equal to 9. So 6 plus 9, which is equal to 15. So 9 is also possible value. So in the last sum, we have two possible value, that is 0 and 9. Here now itself we find out 1, 2, 3, 4 possible value, and we have to find out if it is any other possible value is there or not. So now we check after 15, 18. So 6 plus x, which is equal to 18. X equal to 18 minus 6, which is equal to 12. So x equal to 12. So 12 is a 2-digit number. It is impossible. It is impossible. So how many possible values is there? Totally 4 possible value. So we have to replace the value. Instead of x, it may be 0, 3, 6 and 9. Therefore 0, 3, 6, 9 are the possible values of x. 0, 3, 6, 9 are the possible value, means what are the 3-digit number? It may be 240 or 243 or 246 or 249. So these are the possible 3-digit value that divisible by 3. Next we move on to question number 4. So here you have to see this one is 4-digit number. In question number 4 we have 4-digit number, that is 3100 and is at 5. That means if this 4-digit number is multiple of 3 where z is a digit, what might be the value of z? So in this question also we get one value or two value, whatever it is, but here also we have to find out by using the divisibility rule is 3, because this 4-digit number is multiple of 3. Here we have to find out by using divisibility rule 3. So divisibility rule is 3. So now we take sum of the digits. Sum of the digits of 3, 1 is at 5. So 3 plus 1 plus z plus 5, which is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. So it may be 9 plus z. So already you know that 1 3 is 3, 2 3s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 4 3s are 12. So here 9 plus z, it may be
properly in your home. Thank
9
you.
plus z is always greater than 6. So 3, 6 is not possible. It may be from 9. So we check 9 plus z, the value is 9. What is the value of z? Is it equal to 9 minus 9? Is it equal to 0? So here I check 9 plus 0, which is equal to 9. So 0 is possible. 0 is one of the possible value. Next we move on to 12. So 9 plus z, which is equal to, it may be 12. So what is the possible value? Is it equal to 12 minus 9? Is it equal to 3? Now we check 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. So 9 plus 3, which is equal to 12. So because of that, 3 is also possible value. 3 is also one of the possible value. And next 9, 12, and we move on to 15. So 9 plus z, which is equal to, it may be 15. What is the possible value? 15, which is equal to, is it equal to 15 minus 9? So is it equal to 6? 9 plus 6, which is equal to 15. So 6 also possible. Up to single digit number, it may be a possible value. Next we move on to 18. 9 plus z, which is equal to 18. Is it equal to 18 minus 9? Is it equal to 9? So 9 plus 9, which is equal to 18. Here you see 9 plus 9 will get. So next we move on to 27. It may be greater than 9. So now you move on to another number 9 plus 10, which is equal to 19. So the single digit number is 0 to 9 only. So here we reach up to 9. Here we reach up to 9. So we no need to check any other value, because if we move on to 27, it always be a 2-digit number. So the single digit number from 0 to 9. So here 9 we reach. Because of that we stop it here. So 9 also possible. So here in this question also we get 1, 2, 3, 4 possible value. 0, 3, 6 and 9. 0, 3, 6 and 9. So because of that, therefore 0, 3, 6, 9 are possible values of z, which implies what are the that 4-digit number? 3105 instead of z. 3135 instead of z 3. It may be 3165, 3195.
Hi my dear students, I hope you all watching the video carefully, and the same way you have to finish your worksheet on the day itself. If you have any doubt in video and worksheet, you clarify your doubt in interactive session. Bye.
தேங்க்யூ ஃபார் வாட்சிங் ஆஹா நம்ம சேனல். இந்த வீடியோ உங்களுக்கு பிடிச்சிருந்ததுன்னா லைக் பண்ணுங்க, கமெண்ட் பண்ணுங்க, ஷேர் பண்ணுங்க. வீடியோ அடிக்கடி பார்க்கறதுக்காக இந்த சேனலை சப்ஸ்கிரைப் பண்ணிட்டு மறக்காம பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய பெல் ஐகானை தட்டுங்க.